Welcome back to Earth and Bloom, friends. Today it's raining quite bad outside. Pretty wet to do anything there. So we're in the shop gonna do a few things. Even though the shop's a bit crowded. Got my other brother side by side here. I don't know why they keep breaking them, but they keep breaking them, they keep sending them here. I think it's got a few busted axles and U-joints. And this is that lawnmower we picked up. Just gotta change the carb on it. Then we can sell it. On today's agenda, this is what we're working on. So we got an outdoor sign for out front. Just got to make a angle iron bracket to go around so this can slide in. So just got to weld together a quick bracket. We'll do that together, get the bracket welded up, and we'll go mount this thing. Should look good for the year, I think. Alright, so I think for the sign, because it's going on 4x4s out front, we drill holes in here, then we can lag bolt it to the 4x4 and the sign will just slide in between. So basically you need to weld up two borders that'll fit this. So let's see the size we need. So 1/2 inch past each side. So I need 2 at 4 at 35 inches. Alright, I think we just need 2 more pieces. And then they're going like that. Alright, this is where we are at. So I cut these notches out so we could put the vertical angle. So we're just going to tack these corners up. Got them semi-square. Square enough for a sign. And got the welder set up, so we'll just tack these in. We're nothing fancy here. And then we can tack the other side. Alright, hopefully that's not welded to the table. We're good. Alright, I'm just gonna wire brush this all. It's not very interesting to watch. So we'll wire brush it, clean it up a bit, and then I'll put some paint on. And we gotta drill some holes. Maybe we'll drill holes first. And I think we'll just use like a 1.5 to 2 inch leg bolt. And like that. So we'll drill 5 on the side and 4 on the bottom. 5. 5 and 5. Alright, 4 there, 5 on the bottom. Beautiful. So we'll do that once more time. And then we'll just get them painted up. And then you'll see us hanging it. Alright, here we are. These are the frames. I think that'll look pretty good. So we're just gonna hang it up there. We'll get you guys set up. We'll quickly hammer this in. We're just gonna leg bolt it in. Got a bag of leg bolts. We'll see if we can't get it pretty square. Oh, there we are. Just a bunch of leg bolts in. I got lights we'll string across. And we gotta put one bolt up in the top corner here to keep it from wiggling. Thanks for building the new farm sign with us. Don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and most importantly, subscribe for more. So we'll catch you guys in the next one.